Hello everyone. Check out these exquisite cinematic visuals, all generated by AI. In this video, I will introduce you to the 7 best AI video generators, including some that are free and unlimited. I'll guide you step by step on how to create these stunning cinematic scenes. Let's get started. The first recommendation is DreamVid AI, a treasure I recently discovered. This is a free and unlimited tool for generating videos. The beautiful cinematic visuals you just saw were created using it. First, free download DreamVid from description below or search DreamVid on App Store and install it. One standout feature is AI-generated interactions like AI kissing, hugging, and more. But the core functionality I want to highlight today is text-to-image generation. DreamVid AI creates high-quality, watermark-free images that can be used freely. I'll demonstrate its image generation capabilities to prove its unlimited and free nature. This is the interface for DreamVid's text-to-image feature. To test it, I'll use some basic prompts generated by ChatGPT. Based on reference examples, I'll craft new prompts to achieve a consistent style for the images I want. After generating several prompts, I'll input them into DreamVid AI and validate its capabilities. Just like other platforms, generating images with prompts on DreamVid AI is easy and intuitive. Follow along as I demonstrate. The first round of image generation was impressive, the quality is stunning, and the images are crystal clear. Next, I'll expand the testing scope to see if it truly allows unlimited daily generation. I'll input more prompts and continue generating images to stress test DreamVid AI's performance. As you can see, the results are fantastic. DreamVid AI consistently delivers high-quality images without any restrictions. Now, let's try DreamVid AI's text-to-video feature. I'll test the image-to-video function by using generated images to create videos. Follow along as I demonstrate this process step by step. Look, the video generation feature is equally impressive, smooth, high quality, and completely free. This makes DreamVid AI ideal for creators with demanding content needs. DreamVid AI is a game changer. It lets you generate unlimited, high-quality images and videos for free, without restrictions. The second recommendation is the recently popular VEO3. Let's log into its web page. You can see sample videos provided, and wow, the effects are truly exquisite and vivid, likely with voiceovers. There are 2 sections, image to video and text to video. After entering the prompt, you can set the video size, duration, and whether to include voiceovers. Once you choose to export, it's clear that VEO3 is not free, and the pricing seems quite high. Choose according to your needs, or consider other free AI video generators. The third recommendation is Kling AI. On the left side of the page, there are many feature sections, including the home page, explore page, and functionality page. You can click on image to video to upload an image and create a video. I tested the text-to-video feature, where you enter a prompt, select video size, duration, and quality, and even output negative prompts, which is very convenient. However, the operation can be a bit complicated. The final output looks great. The video quality and smoothness are clear, though the close-up of the hand seems slightly unnatural. Overall, it's a good video, but generating it took about an hour. Next up is VidO AI, where you can also choose text-to-video or image-to-video. I opted to upload an image and provide instructions, selecting the image size and quality below before generating. The output looks decent, but the quality isn't very clear due to being a free version. It's recommended for entertainment but not ideal for content creation. The fifth recommendation is HiLuo AI. Known for its excellent quality. The interface is very simple, supporting both image-to-video and text-to-video. I also decided to upload an image for a fun project, instructing it to make the figures kiss. HiLuo AI doesn't allow for changing image dimensions, only generating 16:9 videos, but you can select different models. Let's generate it. However, a significant issue is that free generation takes a long time. The final result looks clear and natural, making the wait worthwhile. Hailuo AI is highly recommended. The sixth recommendation is Hyper AI. This AI has a clean interface. You add a description, set the video size, quality, and duration, then click Generate. The output looks good, but the butterfly doesn't move, indicating the instructions weren't fully processed. Overall, it's decent and highly recommended, with good quality and color representation. Finally, I recommend Pixverse AI. On the left, you see the toolbar, and on the right, the video output from Pixverse AI. This tool is particularly professional in AI template effects, with many fun functional template videos visible on the homepage. Click on Video Generator to choose video quality, size, duration, lens model, and visual style. After entering your instructions, click Generate. The generation speed is fast. However, the visual quality is average as you can't choose the resolution. Let's try again. The first result was too blurry. The second attempt is better, with more natural character movements and lens effects. Choose Pixverse AI based on your needs. Okay. That's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.